Good afternoon everybody. I'm back again with another video. I hope my videos have been helping you, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to it. In this video I'll be talking about MAP question of IELTS listening exam. So this question is sometimes tricky for many students because they are not able to find the audio really helpful and they are not able to follow it properly. And this is the main lacking, because if you lose track of audio in the IELTS listening part, you will not be able to get the correct answers. So for the MAPS question, what you have to do is, first of all, be very much focused in the audio and try to follow it closely and know where the audio is currently, right? This is the most important thing for any listening question and for this specific part as well. Another thing for the MAP question is, this is very important, right? And this is where many students are lacking. You have to know the right vocabulary for the MAP question. In the MAPS question, they are making use of all the directional vocabulary. By that what I mean is that you should know the right words that they are going to use in this specific question and in the audio, right? So you have to understand the meaning of the words like behind, besides, north, east, west, south, anything that is related to location, right? Because अगर आपको सही से word की meaning नहीं पता, and if they are using that specific word in the audio, how will you know the correct answer, right? So before you are attempting the MAPS question, and if you are like not getting many correct answer, try to improve your vocabulary on this specific part. Try to learn all these words that are related to directions. So like make sure that you learn all the helpful vocabulary that is about the MAPS question, and then you can get the correct answer. So for your help, I'll be sharing some helpful words that you can use, and I'll be posting these words in the caption of this video. So please try to remember these words carefully and then try to attempt the question and do more practice so that you can get maximum number of correct answers. Thank you.